10's in front operation. Good. Requesting a power line back here with some stanchion lighting. Alright, let's see. We'll have to work on getting an apparatus up here for that. Stand by.
You have 41. Yep.
Yeah.
Two of you stand by for Rick. You's still standing by. Take 41 and bring it up in the alley here, then I'm gonna run an extension cord up from it.
Alright.
Go ahead, put your pack on the park there. Go down, take your pack on, drop it, bring the rescue truck up, park it in the back, set the light tower up, and then we're gonna run a cord reel and portable lighting to the backyard.
Okay.
I'll tell you where I'm going down.
Front operations to rear operations. 3641 going to reposition into the parking lot, set the light tower up, and then bring a cord reel and portable lighting to you. Give them 5. Sounds like a plan. I'm going to send 2 personnel to the rear to come in and relieve that initial attack crew to start assisting with